So how do you view notes on the Apple Watch? Let me talk about that and show you the options that we have. Let's get started. And if you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, you probably noticed that the Apple Watch doesn't really have the Notes app, even though it's available on the iPhone, iPad, Mac, but it's simply not on the watch. So the options that we have now include getting a third-party app which has been specifically designed with this purpose. So you can open up the App Store and literally look up the Apple Watch Notes. And there is going to be an app which has been designed with that purpose, which you can install on your device, and it's going to work as a separate app on the watch, even though it also will be installed on the iPhone. But you can then open up the watch application and just use any of the input methods, like you have the keyboard, you have the dictation, whatever, and you can just dictate and type in your notes into, just like a regular notes app, but on your wrist. The only downside, of course, is that it's not connected with the regular Notes app made by Apple because it's a separate thing, but at least it gives you some ability to jot down some text on the watch and then copy that and use it however you want on the iPhone. So I still think it's a good choice. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one.